Awake at sunrise, the golden oriole barely bears the sweltering heat, crying silently for relief. Drooping orchids, egrets roosting, finding relief in the gilam tree. Hoping for heavenly showers, I am cooped inside, jittery, but wait, koel cooing, symbolic. Look out my picture window, monsoon. Nature bestows bounties again. Oh, the fragrance of petrichor. Quiet peacocks shriek, rumbling clouds, slivers of silver lightning, toads in cacophony, universe in blissful orchestra. Vagrant sea eagle returns home, wings gliding, exquisite to behold. Yellow-beaked hornbill zestfully squeaks.